Welcome back to the XPRO Elementor add-on. So to build a consistent WooCommerce product layout in Elementor, XPRO add-on gives you many free dynamic WooCommerce widgets. And in this video, we will focus on the WooCommerce Product Title widget by XPRO add-on. Unlike a normal heading widget, this widget is dynamic. It automatically fetches the correct title for every product in your online store and keeps your design the same across all the products. So let's see how to set it up on your site. So once you have your products ready inside WooCommerce, simply jump into the XPRO theme builder where you are designing your single product page. Drag and drop the XPRO free Woo product title widget and it will automatically pull the title of your product. Now let's design it. Head over to the Style tab. In Typography, set your favorite font, adjust the size, and pick a weight that stands out. You can even transform your text to uppercase or keep it lowercase. It's totally up to you. Next is the decoration setting. Here you can add an underline or even a line through if your design needs it. You can also style the text as italic if you want. I want to keep mine clean, so I will stay with the defaults. Next, go to color and pick a shade that matches your brand. And if you want to get creative, you can even add a stroke around your text or add a text shadow to give it some depth. I will skip the shadow for this minimal design, but you have full control here. Now, here's the fun thing. Come to the content, and this widget also allows you to add a tiny icon or a small badge right alongside your title, just to give it that extra bit of personality. There are so many customization options that you can use to style your product title easily without any complicated steps. So publish, and there you have it. That's how you master the XPRO add-on WooCommerce Product Title widget for your single product layout. Now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we will set up the custom product description widget for our singular template.